A $10 billion bet on a post-GPU world, a growing conflict between AI model providers and the security researchers trying to keep us safe. And in the enterprise, AI agents are now running mission-critical trading operations on Wall Street. These aren't future trends, they're happening now. We're breaking down what this means for engineers, developers, and investors. Let's get into the code. The hardware landscape is heating up. AI chip startup Etched has just secured a staggering $10.3 billion valuation. This isn't just another funding round, it's a massive bet on a very specific thesis, that the future of AI inference doesn't belong to general-purpose GPUs. So what is Etched building? They claim their custom silicon can dramatically accelerate inference for transformer models, which are the foundation of everything from GPT-4 to Llama 3. The key architectural difference is specialization. A modern NVIDIA GPU is a marvel of general-purpose parallel computing. It has thousands of cores that can be programmed to do anything from rendering graphics to scientific simulations to, of course, running AI models. Etched is taking the opposite approach. They are building an ASIC, an application-specific integrated circuit. This means they are essentially carving the transformer architecture directly into the silicon. Instead of software running on general hardware, the hardware is the algorithm. The theoretical advantage is immense. By removing the overhead of a general-purpose instruction set and optimizing memory pathways specifically for the matrix multiplications and attention mechanisms of a transformer, you can achieve huge gains in performance and power efficiency. For investors, this valuation signals a strong, persistent appetite for any credible competitor to NVIDIA's dominance in the data center. For engineers, this is a critical trend to watch. If specialized ASICs for specific model architectures become commercially viable at scale, it could fundamentally change how high-performance ML systems are designed and deployed. The question remains, can a company focused on a single architecture, like transformers, adapt if a new, more efficient model design emerges? That's the $10 billion gamble. A serious conflict is brewing between AI model providers and the offensive cybersecurity community. Researchers are reporting that the very safety guardrails implemented by companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are now actively impeding their work. Here's the core of the problem. A significant part of modern cybersecurity research involves using AI to discover vulnerabilities, test defenses, and even develop new offensive tools in a controlled environment. To do this, they need to prompt models to generate potentially harmful content, like phishing email templates, exploit code snippets, or scripts for social engineering. However, the safety filters and alignment techniques built into today's frontier models are designed to refuse exactly these kinds of requests. From the model provider's perspective, this is a feature, not a bug. They have a responsibility to prevent their technology from being easily weaponized. But for a security professional, it's like trying to develop a vaccine without being allowed to handle the virus. This stalemate is forcing a difficult conversation. Are we creating a situation where only the bad actors who will inevitably find ways to jailbreak these models have access to AI-powered offensive capabilities, while the defenders are hamstrung? The industry is now debating potential solutions, which could include highly vetted access to less restricted models for licensed security professionals, or the development of specialized models trained specifically for cybersecurity applications. This isn't just a policy debate, it's a fundamental question of how we balance proactive security with the risk of misuse. While the debate over AI safety rages, enterprises are pushing forward with deploying AI agents into mission-critical roles. A prime example comes from AWS, detailing how financial services firm Jefferies has integrated AI agents into its front-office trading operations. This isn't a chatbot answering FAQs, this is an agent assisting with complex, high-stakes financial decisions. Let's break down the architecture. The system is built using Strands agents on top of Amazon Bedrock. The key component is the orchestration. The agent uses something called the Model Context Protocol to intelligently route tasks between multiple foundation models and a suite of external tools, like databases and APIs. This allows it to perform complex reasoning that a single model couldn't handle alone. But deploying an agent like this introduces a new, critical challenge: silent failures. A silent failure is when the agent doesn't crash or throw an error, but produces a subtly incorrect or suboptimal output. It looks like it's working, but it's wrong. These are the most dangerous types of failures in a production system. To address this, Amazon Bedrock AgentCore has released new optimization features designed specifically to detect these silent behavioral failures. The tooling analyzes agent performance to identify patterns of deviation, then ranks and explains these failure modes to engineers. This is a crucial step. For AI agents to move from experiments to reliable, mission-critical enterprise infrastructure, we need robust tooling to monitor, evaluate, and debug their behavior in production, especially when they fail silently. This Jefferies use case and the new AgentCore tooling represent a significant maturation of the enterprise AI landscape. And now for a few quick hits from around the industry. First, OpenAI has hired Fields Medalist Jacob Tsimerman to bolster its AI safety research. This highlights the intense competition for top-tier mathematical talent, signaling that solving AI alignment is seen as one of the most complex mathematical challenges of our time. Second, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has successfully deployed Google's Gemma model in orbit. The model is analyzing satellite imagery directly on the YAM-9 satellite, a major milestone for AI processing at the extreme edge and a powerful case study for in-space, real-time data analysis. And third, NVIDIA has published an updated debugging guide for its OptiX ray tracing toolkit. For developers working in graphics and simulation, this new documentation provides critical insights into identifying and resolving performance bottlenecks in complex GPU-based ray tracing applications. Let's distill this week's news into the key takeaways. For engineers and developers, the architecture of specialized hardware like Etched chip is a design point you need to follow. If ASICs for inference take off, it changes the performance game. The AI agent architecture used by Jefferies, integrating Strands agents with Amazon Bedrock and external tools, is a solid blueprint for building your own complex orchestrated systems. And most importantly, as you move agents to production, you must have a strategy for detecting silent failures. The new tooling in Amazon Bedrock AgentCore is a prime example of what's needed. For investors and market watchers, the $10.3 billion valuation for Etched confirms the market's intense desire for viable alternatives to NVIDIA's GPUs, especially in the high-volume inference market. The deployment of AI agents in mission-critical trading operations at a firm like Jefferies is a powerful leading indicator for enterprise adoption and future revenue streams. Finally, the hiring of top academic talent like a Fields Medalist by OpenAI underscores the massive ongoing R&D investment required to stay at the frontier, a key factor shaping the competitive landscape. Three critical trends are defining the market right now: the hardware battle between general-purpose GPUs and specialized ASICs, the escalating tension between AI safety and security research, and the industry's urgent push for enterprise-grade agent reliability. We will be tracking all three. If you're a professional in this space, subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. We'll be back tomorrow with a deep dive on the new MLOps stack for production agentic systems.